I wanted to quickly show you guys what the map generation looks like now that we've entered the historic CRM. So as Chris's email indicated, that has been done. So there are a couple of options for maps. So my sort of personal preference is the cluster maps. I find that they help visualize things pretty well. But on each of the cluster and hotspot maps, you can filter your mapping. So if we wanted to just see breaches of restrictions, for example, I'm going to put in December because that's when the historic data was inputted, so we'll see a lot more of it. But that produces basically summaries of how the city's performed in that particular month. So, for example, we can scroll down and have a look at the individual requests if need be. You can click on them and actually just get the details of them if need be. So that's not just visualising them, it's an interactive visualization, so we can see what was done, who'd submitted the request, who it had been sent to, for example. So that can be quite useful, and like I mentioned before, there is the hotspot options as well. So again, put in your filtering and you can see what we've got up to. Potentially the layers function on the right here might allow us to overlay Townsville Maps info, like for example water infrastructure, and see if there's any correlations between particular infrastructure types and some of our problems we've been seeing. The other functionality which is new is we can filter for the actual person that submitted the complaint. Say for example you wanted to know what this Jason guy gets up to, you can search the system for all complaints from a particular person. So that's one of the Water Patrol officers wanted to know where their request was at, or we wanted to know where someone else's requests were at. Well, you can actually run filters across the trusted users to get updates. But mostly I just wanted to let people know that historic CRMs are entered, that mapping is available for use, and that was a little demo on how you do it. Let me know if you need any more help. Cheers, bye.